Hello kids. So today we are going to begin with your English literature course and the book is The English Channel. Okay? And in this we have our first unit, early years. Early years means to say your initial years of your life. Okay, obviously you have spent them in the school. Yes, so there are three sections in this unit, section A, B, C. So there are three chapters. The first one is a poem, second is a chapter, and the third is also a chapter. Okay, the first poem that we are going to begin is problem solving. All these three chapters we are going to talk about the early years of children. Okay, now this poem is a very fun-filled poem, problem solving, which has been written by George Ansel. So he describes that how a little boy Jack, he persuades, he leans on his teacher to solve his problem, maybe because he's lazy at doing it. Okay, so he does not want to work on it, so he leans on his teacher to solve the problem or to get the problem solved by the teacher. Okay, so shall we begin with the chapter? Okay, so here there are two pictures here. First one is of a roof, a leaking roof, and the second one is of a plumber. Okay, he's trying to fix it. So two problems are there. One is the roof and the second one is the plumber. So there's a mason who is mending the roof, and the second is that when the roof was dripping, they put a bucket. Okay, so which one is a permanent solution? Obviously the mason who is repairing or who is mending the roof, right? The second one is there's a wash basin which was leaking, and in the first one they have just put a sellotape or something, or they've just tied it with something, a cloth. So that's not a permanent solution, right? What is the permanent solution? We get the plumber at home and then we ask him to repair it, right? The leakage, to fix the leakage. So similarly, there are many problems in life. Okay, here there are some problems in the early years of a child, and we are going to read a poem about that, which has been written by George Ansel. Okay, so the first stanza, I think I've got the answer, miss. The answer's 41. The answer's nothing like it, Jack. Just show me what you have done. So now the child is saying that, miss, I have done the answer, I've solved it, and I think it's 41. But the teacher says, no, it's nothing like that. Just show me what you have done. Okay, how come you get an answer 41? Okay, I'm nothing here to show you, miss. I did it in my head. In that case, Jack, next time please use the abacus instead. So now the teacher is telling Jack that now when the teacher says, come show me how did you get 41 as the answer when you solve the problem. So he says, ma'am, I have not done it anywhere. I've just done it in my head. That means the boy is clever, right? He has brains, right? Yes. So because he is clever, so he knows how to solve the sum in the mind. But he says that, I've not done it anywhere. So the teacher says, okay, next time if you do this, please do it in the, please try to do it with the abacus. Okay. I think I found the trouble, miss. The answer is 53. I'm sorry, Jack. It's nothing like. Come here and copy me. So now Jack says, again he does something and then he tells his teacher, ma'am, I think I've fixed the problem that was there, and I've solved it again. I think the answer is 53, the correct answer. So the teacher again nods and she says, no, Jack, it's not 53. It's something else, and that is what you have not solved. So she says, you come here quickly and copy what I'm doing. Okay, so now see, he's so cunning, he's so clever, he's sharp at this, that because he does not want to do it, so he has the teacher done it for him. The next day Jack was talking with his dad and with his mom. So Jack, they said, Did you find out the answer to that sum? So now, then after this incident, one day he was talking to his mom and dad. So they asked him that whether he found out the answer or not. Okay, so what's the reply? I did, said Jack. Although I couldn't do it in my head, I found a way to get Miss Clark to work it out instead. So now Jack is so cunning that he knew how to do it in the mind, okay? But still, he did not want to use the abacus, or maybe he did not know how to use the abacus very well. So what does he do? He gets the teacher to do the answer, to solve the problem for him, okay? So he says that I found a way to get Miss Clark to work it out instead. That means Miss Clark solved the answer for me. Okay, I just copied what she did, though I knew how to solve the how to solve the problem, but still I did not do it. I did it in my head, but how to do it on the abacus, I got it done from my teacher. So you see how cunning, how clever, and it is very important. This poem describes that how children should be, independent, clever. They need to be confident in their answers. Yes. So, and they need to know how to solve problems. Okay. So this was a very sweet little poem by George Ansel. I hope you all must have understood. If there's any other problem, you can just let us know through your comments in the comment section. Okay. And do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.